And Steve from EstateMax here. We're doing an estate sale in Thurmont, Maryland. Big one. The home and studio of Joyce Michaud, who is a very famous potter, prolific, has a separate studio which we'll sell off later. I'm going to give you an introductory video to what's in her main house, including a lot of examples of her artistic work and a lot of interesting stuff such as camera equipment too. But a lot of ampules and really interesting things that she fired just on the premises. There are 4 buildings involved in the sale. We'll be selling the contents of the main house and the outbuilding, including a tractor, than the first sale, coming up in just a couple of days. Address to be announced the day before the sale. But everything you see in this video is going to be for sale. Nothing's held back. And again, this is just to give you a taste for some of the scope and breadth of the items here. Sewing machine operation. Again, she worked in multiple mediums on multiple types of items. Very prolific. But everything you see in this sale, including the electronics, are for sale. So for instance, if you need a Mac, mini Mac, we have one. That's an Apple product. Here's some larger vases and objects of art above the TV. And again, the majority of these items of art are signed or autographed by the artist, so they maintain quite a bit of value. Again, it's Joyce Michaud. This is her poster. Walk into the dining room. Set of bar stool type chairs, set of dining room type chairs. And we're still setting up. This is your preliminary video. Full linen closet. Miscellaneous items in the back bedroom. Right behind you. Miscellaneous electronics and desk. Two and old vintage crib comforter sets. There's a wider shot of that hand crocheted rug with a little close up. Back in the kitchen, we have some miscellaneous jewelry items. Miscellaneous glassware in the kitchen. 2 weeks further down the road, we'll be having a special sale for this production facility, studio, and showroom of the artistic goods, especially pottery. That's not open this particular sale.